logistically, how do you partner no mailer? You just said,
partner?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's this guy. It's a really unique situation. He's been a friend of Jill and I's for a lot of years. Very successful on his own, a very successful real estate investor. He bought and sold many apartment buildings in Los Angeles, which is, you know, I would fail at that. If I set out to buy and sell apartment buildings in LA, we would lose all the money we have. So he's just very patient and meticulous, and he's been in Land Academy. He's socially our friend for years and years. He's been a Land Academy member since pretty much since we met. And so he came to me probably 3 or 4 months ago and said, I sold my last apartment building. I have tons and tons of money. What do you say we partner some stuff? So we chose a place to send mail, and he does all the work, all of it, and he puts in half the money. And so he's going to be a partner on this 50,000 units. And I'm testing this because if we can get a couple people like that, let's say maybe 3 in different parts of the country, it really is a great retirement situation for Jill and I, where we just, you know, we really don't do the deal at all. I don't know how Jill's going to handle this. We'll see, but.
Yeah. Like we're doing deal review with him, and like I'm going to help out with some of the calls initially and getting him going kind of thing. Cause he doesn't know he knows what you guys know, but he's not been in career path and stuff. He's not at that level. So I got to get him up to that level, but he'll be good. He's got, you know, we know you know, in this room, who can answer the phone and who shouldn't answer the phone.
Yeah. So. He's very meticulous. He's got a very meticulous personality, and he's got a little OCD. He's a very unhealthy individual in a good way.
He can answer the phone, and like, cause he still flies back to take care of his mom and dad and, you know, hang lights and things like that once a year. So he's like, he can nurture the, you know, sellers and stuff. It'll be good.